Let me ask you something. What if I told you that right now, in cities like Halifax, Toronto, Vancouver, there are thousands of business owners losing leads, missing follow-ups, wasting money on ads, and they don't even realize it. And here's the crazy part. You can fix this problem. Get paid monthly and build a real business, even if you're starting from zero. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to start a profitable digital marketing agency using GoHighLevel, even if you're in Canada, even if you don't have experience. Let me share something real with you. When I first started, I wasn't a marketing expert. I was working long hours trying to figure out how to build something of my own here in Canada. And then I noticed something. Every business owner I talked to had the same problem. Leads are coming in, but nothing is converting. Missed calls, no follow-ups, no system. That's when I realized the problem isn't traffic, the problem is system. And when I discovered GoHighLevel, everything changed, because now, instead of offering random services, I started offering a system that businesses actually need. So if you're serious about starting, let me break this down into a simple step-by-step. This is where most people mess up. They try to serve everyone. Don't do that. Instead, focus on one niche. In Canada, here are high-demand niches: real estate agents, immigration consultants, dental clinics, restaurants, contractors. Why? Because these businesses depend on leads, depend on bookings, depend on follow-ups. Example, a restaurant in Halifax misses just 5 calls a day. That could be $200, $500 lost daily. Now imagine telling them, hey, I can automate your bookings and follow-ups. Now you're not selling marketing, you're solving a problem. Step 2, build your offer. This is the secret most agencies don't understand. You don't sell social media management, you sell results plus system. Here's a simple offer you can use. Done for you lead generation plus automation system. What's inside? Website, funnel booking system, SMS plus email follow-up, Google review automation, all powered by GoHighLevel. Position it like this: I help you turn missed leads into paying customers automatically. That's powerful. Step 3, set up your system. Now let's make it real. Inside GoHighLevel, you can build 1 landing page, simple page with headline, offer, booking button. 2, booking calendar, so leads can book instantly. 3, automation. This is where magic happens. Missed call, auto text reply, new lead, follow-up sequence, appointment, reminders. Example, a dental clinic misses a call. Your system sends, hi, sorry we missed your call. Want to book an appointment? Boom, lead saved. Step 4, get your first client. Now you don't need ads. Start simple, go local. In Canada, this works extremely well. Method, search businesses on Google Maps. Find ones with low reviews, no website. For follow-up, then message them. Hey, I noticed you might be missing leads. I built a simple system that can help you capture and follow up automatically. Keep it simple, no pressure. Even 1 client at $300, $500 a month, you're already in business. Step 5, scale with monthly revenue. Here's where it gets exciting. You don't need 100 clients. You need 10, 20 good clients. If you charge $300 a month x 20 clients, why 6,000 a month? And because you're using GoHighLevel, everything is automated. Everything is scalable. Now you're not trading time. You're building a system. Let me leave you with this. Right now, there are business owners in your city struggling, missing opportunities, losing customers, and you could be the person who helps them, not just to make money, but to actually create impact. And if you're serious about learning how to do this step by step, I created a free training for you where I break down how to get your first client, how to build your system, how to scale your agency. Click the link below to join our My Community and get access to our 30 days free trial today. And remember, you don't need to be perfect to start. You just need a system.